BJP has released its fourth list of candidates for New Delhi elections that is slated to happen on the 5th of February. BJP's list of candidates out. In fact, there are 9 candidates in BJP's fourth list. Total 68 candidates have been declared by the party so far. There are just 2 constituencies left. Burari, which is likely to go to JDU, and Devli, which is likely to go to LJP. Remember, both of them are allies of the BJP. These are also constituencies with a large population of Purvanchali voters. 68 candidates have been announced by the BJP now. So clearly, the battle for Delhi is all set. The stage is set for the battle of prestige for New Delhi. My colleague Tanushka joins us with more details on this. Tanushka, the BJP took its time, but clearly yesterday there was a core group meeting of the BJP leaders, and they took time over these last 9 seats, which which had a large number of candidates. But clearly there was a decision made to not field some of those ex-MPs, but to go with local candidates. Tell us, is the stage now completely set for the Battle of New Delhi, because both BJP and Aam Aadmi Party have come out with their candidates?
Well, exactly, Vasudha. So 68 candidates have already been announced with this fourth list of the BJP that has just come out, and only 2 more constituencies are, yet to go. But all in all, what the new list of the BJP candidates tells us is that the important constituencies, of course, the high-profile and posh area of Greater Kailash, the candidate is Shikha Rai from the BJP. She's been a councillor from the same area as well, from the Greater Kailash board. So she is someone who has, an understanding of the area, and that's why probably she has been given the ticket to run the assembly elections from Greater Kailash. So we have Shikha Rai up against Aam Aadmi Party's Saurabh Bhardwaj, who's been an MLA from this area as well. And the other, interesting name is that of Poonam Sharma. She will be coming up from the Wazirpur area. She has been fielded from the Wazirpur area. And we have, of course, other candidates as well who have been named in this list of 9 candidates in BJP's fourth list.